eat you! Wait! Hello, would you like an order of I will eat you? Ah! I got this one. Ah. Blah. Oh no. Nope. I'm gonna use my beak. I'm gonna do something I should have done in a long time. You. Where'd he go? Super speed, boy. Gotcha, boy. Dang it. Yeah. Ah! Oh! Ah! We got you now. No, please, no. We are gonna get you. We'll eat you. We will devour you. We will never let you go. Oh, please. I have a wife and kids. Yeah, you're gonna be good on some barbecue. What the heck? Let's get him. Yeah. You idiots! He got away! After him! He fell in our basement this time. Oh. Oh no, I don't want to go again. Me too. Well guys, we got a new recruit. We're gonna find this worm. And if I fail, I will not stop. Is anyone getting butterflies in their stomach? Probably because you eat too much caterpillars, and that's good. Oh, mercy. After the last time I tried chasing the worm, it led me to the sink. I had to dry myself for more than a minute. Alright, TMI. Whoa. Look! There he is! Ah, get him! I gotta hide to go. Ha! Where did he go? Okay, how's checking there? Jim, you look over there. Chuck, check up the stairs. Alright, wherever you are, show yourself. 2 hours later. We checked everywhere, Red. Yeah, and all I saw was spinning. Spinning. Woo! So what do we do now? Something's right behind me. What are you doing? What are you doing in my basement? What? Ha! It's Mickey Mouse! Oh no! Yeah, I'm Mickey Mouse. And I love the Denver Broncos! Giddy up, Broncos! Right now, what are you doing in my gosh dang basement? Shouldn't you be up? Look. How about you? Or you? Possibly you? So doing the silent treatment, huh? Well, get the heck out of my basement right now, mister! You're just too cute. Ow! You don't get to do that!
You don't get to enter my basement! Get your butt over here!
Hey, no fighting! I said no fighting, Jim!
Yeah, beat him real good!
This is going out of hand.
Oh yeah, I want to join in the fun!
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Because of you guys were spinning the gosh dang spinner!
It's a washer.
Shut the heck up!
What are we gonna do? We have time for this. Time for what? You guys are dumbs.
I'm about to throw up!
Oh, I want to join the worm.
So explain to me why you guys are here!
Well, we just want to take this worm and we'll be out of your hands.
Well, I just come here to chill out. You know, to get out of other people. Because people don't care about me anymore. They just make Oh wait, that's Kermit. Anyway, I just like to privacy. I just like to sit down and watch some XY files from Pokemon.
You watch Pokemon?
I love Pokemon. Oh my gosh. Did you play the new Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu, Let's Go Eevee?
Yeah, I played them all 10 times.
My glow! Oh my gosh, my goofy love! Okay. Did you watch the new Pokemon The Power of Us? Yeah, it's super awesome! What? Did we just become best friends?
Oh my gosh, did we?
No. Get out! It's staying at other people's basements without their permission!
Jeez, what was that idiot's deal? I just love Pokemon.
Oh well, at least we got the worm. You know what? Maybe you're right. Let's eat this worm and watch some Pokemon.
Really?